This amazing night cream serum has been around for decades, so hardly needs an introduction. Why do I keep buying it in addition to its great reputation? Well, the texture is lightweight, it's super hydrating, it absorbs quickly and doesn't feel greasy or heavy on the skin. Multiple skin types can use it, and it claims to reduce dullness, uneven tone, and the general appearance of lines or loss of firmness. The formula is own-free, dermatologist tested, and designed not to clog pores. And it's simple to apply. I just use the dropper if it comes with one, otherwise just a dab and rub it onto my face and neck before bed. You could apply moisturizer after if you want, and there's no rule against using it in the morning. I also like the ingredient list. It's chock full of hydrating and fermented ingredients. I tend to enjoy these smaller sizes because I can bring them on the go, and I do travel a lot. And they take up less cabinet space too. Sometimes I get a bigger one to keep under the sink and just top off these little guys. I guess the top thing I really like about this Advanced Night Repair is that it's a serum, not a cream or oil. And I love how that translates into fast absorption without much residue. I've been a fan for years, and I recommend.